In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 proven products to start dropshipping in summer 2020. What's going on, guys? Yash here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you guys is absolutely having a great week and a great day. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Yash. How's it going? I've been into the e-commerce, dropshipping, and digital marketing space for a little over 2.5 years now. So please do make sure you drop a huge like on this video and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell down below and join the family so you guys do and are updated with all recent content. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 proven products to start dropshipping on your e-commerce store this summer. Even though we're still wrapping up and dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic and crisis all over the world, people want to start going out now, okay? Matter of fact, people are going out here in New York City. A lot of people are already starting to go out, and people simply want to have fun, right? People want to live their lives, and people are just really tired of staying in quarantine now. So again, I've done my due diligence, my product research and validation last week to put together these 5 proven products for you guys that you can actually start selling right now in May as we're speaking and get above and ahead of that curve, okay? These products are going to sell all summer, potentially even through September and October as well, okay? So I think now is a great time to hop on these seasonal products and start making some money. So definitely, guys, you want to stay tuned through the whole entire video. I'm going to be giving you guys not only the 5 products, but I'm also going to be giving you guys the potential cost price, the potential selling price, the type of store this product will work on, some Facebook ad interests, the gender, and also the type of ad creative that will do well on each specific product as well, okay? So before we do move forward, please do make sure you join my free Facebook group, E-Com Masterminds. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description down below. Completely free. We're a community of 2,500 plus members, so make sure you join that, guys. So our first product that we have is actually a DIY ice cream machine, okay? And I thought this product was actually very unique. You can see it's basically a self DIY ice cream machine, right? You can basically make ice cream at home, and I think it's really cool. Again, I think a lot of people are going to be trusting to eat outside, and you know, as the weather is getting better, I think this is a great product to have in someone's house, you know, to make some ice cream, to eat it with the family, for parents to feed it to their children and whatnot. So again, I think this is very unique, and I think this is something that will start selling now, especially because it's getting warmer and warmer in a lot of different geographic regions. So this specific product, the cost price is about $31.50. You can easily sell this product for about 3 to 5x more, and I mean the actual markup of the product. Store type, I would suggest a micro branded one product store, meaning a store basically built around this DIY ice cream machine, right? If you have a knit store, maybe a household, home improvement, or kitchenware store can do well. Gender, I would say male and female. It's not really gender biased. Some potential interests that you can actually utilize on Facebook. Okay, now just a quick note, I myself utilize Facebook marketing. Some of you may be utilizing Google or Snapchat or whatever, and that's fine. But assuming most of you guys are using Facebook as a paid platform means, okay, to drive traffic to your website. So these interests compose of, you know, companies, brands, magazines, behavioral interests, TV personalities, really a whole different compilation of different interests. But I've done, again, my research behind each and every single one of these interests. So these are all great to use for all the products that I'm going to be actually showing you guys. So the first one is do it yourself or DIY. Then I would also target stay-at-home mom, dad, or parent, Master Chef, BuzzFeed Food, and Jamie Oliver, which is a professional chef. In terms of ad creative, I would really highly suggest a video with the thumbnail, split testing between the 2 of them. So you would have 2 videos and 2 thumbnails, and actually someone you utilizing or showcasing or displaying this DIY ice cream machine, you know, kind of basically showing how it can be done or how it can be made, I think would perform really well. Moving on to the second product, we have a baby water mat, okay? And again, excuse me, as it's getting warmer and warmer, parents want their babies to have fun. They may not be able to go to the pool this summer, or at least for some time. So this is something great that you can just use in your house or in a backyard as well. And I think AliExpress also provides a video. So you can basically see, it's basically filled with water and it has like different toys and stuff inside. So it's like an interactive baby mat, for like toddlers and whatnot. So I think it's a really cool product. And the potential cost price for this is about $3.99. Easily can sell this product for 3 to 6x more. What type of store this product would do good on? I would say a micro-branded one-product store. You'll see that almost all these products can do well on a micro-branded one-product store, which is a good thing, right? Niche or niche, it would be household, home improvement, or a baby and mom store. Gender, male or female, right? A dad or a mom may be able to buy something like this for their son or daughter. So again, potential interest for Facebook ads would be parents with toddlers. I would really target parents that have, babies or children from the ages of 1 to 4, because that's what the mat is primarily used for. Children's Place, Johnson's Baby, babysitting, and Fisher Price are all very good interest for this specific product. For ad creative types, I would personally recommend 3 types of ad creatives. I would recommend a video with a thumbnail, a single image ad, and a carousel ad. I usually like to also test single image and carousel ads when a product is a little bit more self-explanatory, right? When it may not have so much unfolding or demonstration behind it. So again, something like this I think can do very well with all 3 types of ad creatives. So I would definitely split test all 3 of them with this specific product. Third, inflatable beer pong table. I think this was pretty cool. Again, a lot of people are going to be having pools in their backyards, and I think you can literally use this anywhere for fun, right? Not only in the pool. I think you can just be very creative with this product in general. So it's very simple. Those of you guys that love to play beer pong or know what it is, you can obviously tell what this product is used for. There's 2 people or there's teams on both sides, and you basically try to make the cup on the other side. So I think it's a very entertaining product. And this specific product, the cost price is about $20. Easily sell this for about 2 to 3x more. So the margins are a little bit low, but I think it's still very profitable if you do it the right way. Store type, definitely a micro-branded one-product store, a knit store. You can do a household store, a home improvement store, or you can actually also do like a summer store, like a summer-themed seasonal store. I actually have a client that I worked with a few months ago. She's actually killing it with like seasonal summer stores. Like she always reopens that store around like April or March, and then sells like throughout the year. So that's something that you can also do, by the way, just to throw that in. Gender, both male and female. I would assume more males would buy this, but again, you still want to let the data do the talking, right? Some potential Facebook interest, I would say beer pong, arcade games, Heineken, which is a type of beer, Sports Illustrated, and Motor Trend. Ad creative, again, video with thumbnail, maybe have some people playing it, going back and forth. Single image or carousel, because again, this is a pretty self-explanatory product, right? It's an inflatable beer pong table. It doesn't need a lot of unfolding with this product again. Second to last, portable electric Ionic hairbrush. So this is actually very interesting. I actually sold this product about 1.5 to 2 years ago, but not a lot of people are selling this product right now. So I think it's very smart to get into this product right at this time. What this product basically does is it's obviously for women, right? But it basically helps women control their hair frizziness, right? How frizzy their hair gets, especially in the heat. Probably like when there's moisture and whatnot. Women's hair, they frizz up, right? So this is an absolutely problem-solving and conveniency product. I think it's very neat. I actually sold a lot of these with Facebook ads and also with personal Instagram influencers, right? So again, don't limit yourself just to Facebook ads. Something like this would work very well with personal influencers as well, or just kind of woman-related theme or niche pages as well. So I think it's a very neat product. And it's definitely a great time to get into this product again, since not a lot of people are selling it again right now. So I think it's a good time to create or recreate that market awareness and bring this product back. So again, definitely something pretty cool. Cost price about 11, 14, 12 bucks. Easily sell this for 2 to 4x more. I think I sold mine for like $29.95 or $29.97 if I do remember. Store type would work absolutely wonders on a micro branded one product store. That's what I did personally. Niche, I would say self-improvement, beauty, gender, obviously female. Some potential Facebook interest again would be Ulta Beauty, Mary Kay, Hair Care, Beauty Bay, and Lisa Eldridge, which is a huge beauty influencer. Some ad creative types, definitely a video and a thumbnail. You actually want a woman, showcasing the actual comb, how it's used, and how basically the comb works and improves, people's hair and whatnot. So definitely want to demonstrate how the comb is used, since it is a problem-solving and conveniency product. Last but not least, guys, we have our cooling, quick dry towel. Again, I think gyms and recreational centers and stuff like that will be reopening soon. In general, a lot of people are going to be going to the park. A lot of people are going to be, running at night, jogging, working out, especially because people want to get back into that summer body shape. And, a lot of things are reopening, like I said. And again, people just want to get in shape because it is getting warmer and warmer. So what this basically does, it is a microfiber sport towel. So these towels are actually sold individually, right? But these bottles basically go hand in hand with them. So what I would do, and I'll explain to you in just a little bit, is I would basically sell the towels individually, and then I would basically upsell one of these bottles. You can also see that they directly match the color of each towel as well. Or I would basically just sell them as a bundle, like green towel and the actual bottle for it. Blue towel, the actual bottle for it, right? So that's something you can absolutely do with this product as well. But again, this is a convenience product. Like, it keeps everything super neat and super cool. It basically serves as, again, like an ice face towel just to keep chill and just to keep fresh. Even when people are doing like yoga or meditation or really anything. I mean, this is really multi-purpose for anyone who is basically active. So cost price is $166 for the towel. You can easily sell it for 3 to 5x more. Then I wrote plus upsell because, again, you can do it two ways. You can upsell the actual bottle for the towel, or you can just sell it as different bundles, like the towel plus the bottle. So again, there's two different ways to go about this. I think I would personally do it the latter way. So I think, you just get that AOV up, that average order value. But anyway, store type, micro branded one product store can really just build a store around this whole thing. I think it would look really cool, and I think it would convert very high actually. Niche, I would say if you have a fitness or wellness store, you can sell this product or throw it on there. Gender, both male and female, everyone's likes being healthy and active. Some potential interests, I would say health, which is actually a huge magazine. Running, activity tracker, beach life, Lululemon, and then some ad creative types would be a video and thumbnail. Actually, I think having someone actually utilize how this whole thing works would be a little bit more efficient, a little bit more kind of enticing. So I would definitely have a video and thumbnail, and then basically just split test between the two, have two videos and have two thumbnails. Those are your 5 products that you should start selling for summer 2020. Right now, I think they have a lot of potential if you market them the right way. Okay, I gave you the cost price, I gave you the selling price, the store type, the gender, potential Facebook interest, and also ad creative type or types that you can basically use this product on. With that being said, guys, I hope this was insightful. I hope this was informative and knowledgeable. Go implement some action. Go make some money. These are all 6-figure potential products. If you guys have any comments, any questions, any thoughts, please do drop them below. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys soon. Peace.